And now we're going to move to the last part, which is create. So in the create section, we have the help center, Snap Publisher, and the create ads. So of course the help center, it's a place if you need help or to contact Snapchat help center. So let's click help. And as you can see, if you need help to read about their privacy and security and getting started and to contact them and everything, it's right here. So if you need help about anything, help center, it's the best choice for you. Now let's move to the Snap Publisher. So we are in the Snap Publisher. In the Snap Publisher, you can convert a video, like a widescreen video, to a snapshot friendly video. Or you can create a new video from scratch. Or the best option is you going to have some templates and just edit this template and create your own video. Depends on whatever products you're advertising. So let's click and choose a template. Go and just choose this one. So this is the template or the design that we're going to edit and create a new one from this one for free, and most of all in a very short period of time. So the first one, which is the hero image, which is this wide open image right here. If we click hide, it's going to hide. And the mock logo, which is the logo right here, if we click hide, it's going to hide, and that's how you know which is which. So the product name, it's from right here below the image, and the call to action, which is this shop now, and the sub headline, which is below the headline, and the headline text, which is below the logo, and the last one, which is call to action bubble. It's not this piece of words right here, it's this color right here, the call to action bubble. It's the bubble right here. So let's edit this template. The first thing, I'm going to delete this picture and have my own picture right here. So let's click hero image and click replace, and click my library and upload. And you can upload whatever picture you like. For example, I'm going to upload this earrings. And for the mock logo, I'm going to choose my logo, replace. I already have it here. And then the product name. In the product name, you can just type in whatever name you prefer based on your picture. So I'm going to choose earrings or amazing earrings for girls or amazing girls. The call to action. the call to action, it's shop now, which is the best call to action you can have. You can change it like buy now, but I prefer shop now. I'm just going to change only the color. Instead of black, I'm going to choose maybe purple or rose. Rose is good. And the bubble, let's change the bubble to blue. Blue is perfect. So what's left? The headline text. So the headline text, I'm going just to write 50% off only today. And the subheading, more designs available in the website. And I personally think everything is good. So in the end, when you're done, let's review the video. I think it looks fine. So let's click review. I think it's good. Yes, it's perfect. So let's click looks good. And we're going to save the video. Click download to save the video in your desktop right here. But I personally think that this video, it's only 5 seconds, and I think 5 seconds it's not enough. So let's click edit design mode, click OK, and I think we should make it more than even 10 seconds. So let's first count how many words do we have in our designs. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 words. So let's add 17 seconds, and also I'm going to add 5 seconds for the picture, which is 23 seconds, and I'm adding only 2 more seconds for the customer to click shop now, which is going to be 25 seconds. And 25 seconds is good, so click looks good. So that's how to create a video. And as you can see, the video is saved right here, and you can use it for your ads and your campaigns and your ad sets whenever you prefer.